Hi, my name is Nancy Callum. I'm going to present to you Victory Christian Nursing School BSN curriculum in partial fulfillment of Nursing 575 curriculum development, fall of 2018, Dr. Peg Rooney, Colorado State University, Pueblo, and today is 18th of October 2018. Program structure and model. It's a 4-year traditional program, a statewide accredited program. Entry level is high school graduate, pre-licensure nursing school, admitting student without any prior nursing license. So that means students that are admitted to the program are just directly from high school. Partnership. Victory Christian Nursing School is collaborating with Colorado Springs Bible School here in Colorado Springs, Church for All the Saints in Washington, D.C., Life Care Centers of America in Colorado Springs, Kabarak University in Kenya, Grand Canyon University in Arizona, and Imani Restoration Center Church in Denver, Colorado. Method of delivery. It combines theory, lab, which is skills practice and skill checkups, plus simulation and clinical setting. Nursing courses are delivered in blended format that combines both face-to-face and online courses to allow of flexibility. Like, if students, work or have some hours to work, they can be flexible and be able to attend the program. Clinics are offered during the day, evening, and at nights. This makes it also flexible for the nursing student. It's also grounded not only on science and health, but also on biblical truth. Clinical hours are offered at Christian Medical Centers, Penrose, Maine, St. Francis Hospital, Spring Nursing Home, and Rehab Centers. That way the students can have early clinical exposure. Clinical coordinators attempt to place students near their residence. You might have students coming from Denver, so they try to put it somewhere in between. That way it's easily accessible. But this is not guaranteed because traveling might be required if you live far from the clinical site. Courses are also offered on a semester basis. Philosophy, education, learning, theory or pedagogy, adult learning approach. Students are self-directed learning. They are responsible learners. You work hard, you put a lot of effort, you perform better. Apprenticeship, learning from the master, learning by examples through pairing student with experts. That means once they go to the clinical sites, they get paired with a nurse who is experienced so they can learn better. Brain-based learning. Learning is influenced by physiological state and moral values. You have to be morally upright and you have to be physically healthy to be able to, perform better. Deep learning that includes exploration, discovery, research using evidence-based practice. Feminist pedagogy. All people are valued under all circumstances. Humanism. Desire for personal growth. Mission and statement. Victory Christian Nursing School is a Christian-based nursing school that is centered, their education is centered, that transforms students to impact the world with truth, grace, and prepare students to be highly competent, compassionate, and challenge them to have a solid impact to professional and the world at large truth. Organization strategy. It's an opportunity to serve others as if you're serving the Lord. Do unto others as you would like them to do unto you. You treat others in a good way, you will expect them to treat you the same way. Experience nursing from biblical perspective. And at the end of the course, you the student is to complete 122 credit hours and sit for NCLEX examination after graduation. The courses are categorized into general education and electives, biological sciences, nursing major courses, Bible school classes, and Christian-centered community of learning. Nursing and general education courses. First year, fall, we'll start with English Composition 1, which has 3 credit hours, Anatomy and Physiology, 3 credit hours, Anatomy and Physiology Lab, which has 1 credit hour, Human Development, 3 credit hours, Basics of New Testament, 3 credit hours, Foreign Language, 3 credit hours, and that can be Spanish, German, or French, and a CNA class, which has a 1 credit hour, which make a total of 17 credit hours. First year, spring semester, English Composition 2, with a 3 credit hour, Human Anatomy and Physiology, 3 credit hours, Human Anatomy and Physiology Lab, 1 credit hour, College Math 1, 3 credit hours, Sociology, Basic of Old Testament, which has 3 credit hours, making a total of 16 credit hours. Second year, fall semester, Microbiology and Microbiology Lab with a total of 4 credit hours, Principle of Organic Chemistry, 3 credit hours, Principle of Organic Chemistry Lab, 1 credit hour, American History, 3 credit hours, Nursing Pathophysiology with 3 credit hours, General Education, which is Physical Education, 1 class, and that's more like Physical Fitness, which is a total of 1 credit hour, Transforming Care, Christian Perspective, with a credit hour of 1, with a total of 16 credit hours. Second year, spring, this is more like nursing courses now. Concept of Nursing, 2 credit hours, Fundamental of Nursing, 3 credit hours, Fundamental of Nursing Lab, 1 credit hour, Health Promotion and Assessment, 3 credit hours, Health Promotion and Assessment Lab, 1 credit hour, Health Aging, 3 credit hours, Nursing Informatics, 2 credit hours, with a total of 15 credit hours. Third year, fall semester, Pharmacology of Nursing, 3 credit hours, Maternal Newborn Nursing, 3 credit hours, Maternal Newborn Nursing Lab, another 3 credit hours, Mental Health Nursing, 3 credit hours, Mental Health Nursing Lab, 3 credit hours, with a total of 15 credit hours. Nursing, we continue with general education courses. Third year, spring, Medical Surgical Nursing, 1, which has 4 credit hours, Medical Surgical Nursing Lab, 4 credit hours, Caring of Child, Family and Lab, 5 credit hours, Evidence-Based Nursing, 3 credit hours, with a total of 16 credit hours. Fourth year, fall, which is the last year of the program, Medical Surgical 2, 4 credit hours, Medical Surgical 2 Lab, 4 credit hours, Public Health, 4 credit hours, Public Health Lab, 3 credit hours, with a total of 15 credit hours. Fourth year, spring semester, Nursing Leadership and Issues, which is 3 credit hours, Caring in Practice, 4 credit hours, Caring in Practice Lab, 5 credit hours, with a total of 12 credit hours, which is the end of fourth year. Reason for courses organization and strategy. Fundamental skills gives a strong foundation for more advanced study in professional practice. Theory and lab courses addresses assessment of the whole person from a biblical perspective. Focus is on health histories and therapeutic communication for quality and safe care. Concepts surrounding safety is also vital. Is technology oriented to help students keep up with the dynamics and development of global technology. Learning outcomes. At the end of the 4-year program, nursing students will be able to use best current evidence-based practice to provide safe and quality care. Nursing students will be able to integrate faith and learning in a scholarly environment that fosters creative thinking, critical thinking, academic excellence, and professional competence upon course completion. That means at the end of the course, we expect to have students that will eventually provide safe and quality care. And my reference is below if you would like to go further and find more information. Thank you very much for listening, and my name is Nancy. Have a nice day, and God bless you. Thank you.